In front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Apps. Now select App Lock here. Hit Turn On at the bottom and tap on Change Password to pick any of those login methods you will use for your apps, pattern, PIN or password. Now create it, repeat it to confirm it, and when you're ready, hit OK at the bottom right corner. Then you can sign in to your Xiaomi account or tap on Not Now and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Now to lock any of those apps, click on Use App Lock right away. If you don't want to do that, you need to tap on all of them. Check for 0 over here and then tap on Use App Lock. Finally, to lock any app, use gray switcher next to it. So when I go back and try to open my app, icons that app lock is required. If you want to disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings. So apps and then app lock. Enter your current app lock login method and click on No blue switcher next to your app. If you wish to, you can always click on this gear at the top right corner. Use blue switcher next to app lock and hit OK to delete it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!